In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to reach the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Now tap on Clear Browsing Data, and under Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also got Images and Files. And then under Advanced you've got few more, and these are Saved Passwords, Out of Uniform Data, and Site Settings. So just mark those that you would like to remove. In my case, it would be all of the info, and then just manage the time range. So click here and decide if you would like to remove data from past hour, past 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And I will go with all time. Tap on Clear Data then. And that's it. As you can see, the history has been removed, and you can smoothly create it from scratch. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.